Hey, Fastidious Foo here. So Apple has just released the iPhone 11 and today I'm basically going to show you what is in the box. So this is a very typical looking iPhone box, white box with the picture of the phone on the top and Apple and iPhone logos all around the sides. On the back you can see the size of the storage, contents of the box, and the cellular technologies that the phone's compatible with. To remove the outer film, you just grab this and it should peel right off. So let's open it. So this is the new iPhone 11 in white color, and I'm sure the first thing that you will notice is the two cameras on the top, and the back side is pretty reflective, and this is the front. And on the left side you will see the mute switch on the top and the volume up and down buttons. And then on the right side you will see the side button, which works as a home button. On the bottom you will see the lightning charging port as well as the microphones. So now that we've looked at the phone, let's see what else is in the box. So right under the phone I see a bunch of inserts. So there's the hello card, and then this is the pin that you can use to get your SIM card out. So you would push that pin into the side of your phone to get that SIM card tray. And this is just the handling and safety instructions. And this also comes with the two Apple stickers. The next thing that I see is the earpods. So I know that it looks like wireless AirPods, but it's really wired. So it's got that lightning connector. So you would plug that into your phone where you would put your charger in, and then it should work right like a regular earphone. And this is the USB power adapter, which is part of your charging cable. And then this is the lightning to USB cable. So you would plug that into your phone, and then the big part, the USB part, you would plug it into the adapter in order to use the charger. So now I'm going to just start the phone by pressing down the side button for a couple of seconds. And I'm just going to show this booting process in 5 times the actual speed. So it's just saying hello in different languages. I'm going to just swipe up in order to select the language and also to select the country. And then I can use this quick start to set up my new phone. So I'm just going to show you the basic interface. So I would press down and then swipe up in order to access the apps that are open. And then I would swipe down in order to access the settings. And then I could swipe down from the clock to just access that page. And in the maps, I saw this really cool feature. So it's a flyover function. And you can see the 3D view of a place that you're searching for. So in this case, it's Golden Gate Bridge. And I'm also showing this in a 5 times the actual speed. And you can see that it's a little glitchy, it's lagging a little bit to load, but I thought that this is a really cool new feature. So earlier we saw that iPhone 11 has 2 cameras. So the top camera is a 12 megapixel wide angle camera, and the bottom one is a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. So this would be a much better camera for landscape pictures. And now let's take a look at the camera. So when you go in, you can see that the features are pretty much the same, but I'm sure that you will notice a new thing. So on top of the photo, you will see 1x button. So if you tap on that, you should be able to switch between 1x or 2x. So 1x represents just a wide angle camera and 2x represents that ultra wide angle camera. And another really cool feature that I saw is under the photo mode, you can tap on the button to snap a still shot, but if you press down on that button, it'll allow you to record a video without having to switch to the video mode. And once you release your finger, it should stop recording. I thought that was a cool new feature. And that is it for my iPhone 11 unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you next time.